Okay, if you ended up need to take this plastic trim on the windshield, I'm gonna show you how to do it, how to take it off and how to install it. So we're gonna grab it. Right here there is a kind of like a lip. So we're gonna grab it like that and we're gonna push it down towards the body. And then just like that. And trim is out. Okay, so now to install it, there is a pins right here. As you guys can see, there's a pins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now to install it back, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna pry with a screwdriver those small connectors, and there is like a little latch right here that I'm gonna be installing it like that and locking it. So this thing locked already. So now I'm gonna take the other one off and I'm gonna do the same. So I'm gonna lock it on this pin. So you have to kind of pull it up. Okay, so this one locked too. Next one. Locked. Okay, I missed one. So top one. This one locked too. And then the last one, I'm going to show you a little closer what I'm doing here. Can I get a little closer to show? So there is a little latch right here, and basically what I'm doing is I'm sliding this piece over this pin and then I'm pulling forward, and that's how this thing locks. So now I know those pieces locked. I don't even know what to call that, but we'll call them pieces. So they all locked, and this trim has a little 2 pins here too. So those 2 pins is gonna go in those 2 holes. And but before we do that too, we have to slide this piece over here inside. Okay, just like that. And then we're gonna line up everything. And we're gonna start over here. So I got it, those 2 pins inside, and now what I'm going to do is just lock it. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. Okay, now it's all locked and all ready to go.